Hello guys, I hope you're doing well and welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna do some Bitcoin analysis on multiple time frames and then we're gonna find out the potential targets, where to take the trades, and I'm gonna show you my trades as well. So let's head towards the chart and there we go. So that's Bitcoin charts on daily time frame, and as you can see here that Bitcoin is making some previous patterns. Here you can see that every time in the previous years, in previous months, basically when Bitcoin go down, it pumps up, and then there we go, a down rally, and then goes up, and then another down rally, and that's what we're gonna see here, a potential move up. And every time it moves up almost, it crossed its previous high, and then it makes a new high, and then like this time it makes a new high, and I'm expecting something again up there. And once this pattern plays out, like I can see that it's gonna trap in here for some time, maybe like this, and then the last move is, that's what I'm kind of expecting Bitcoin to do on daily time frame. And once this pattern plays out and we are above this, we're gonna shoot towards the moon, as our previous short-term trend is over, and then we can head towards our long-term goals. I can show you many more related to Wyckoff theory and everything. I'm gonna give you some examples as well. This is one of the example where I can see that Bitcoin has a potential to go up. And if we go to lower time frames, I can show you. Okay, so let's just remove this one from here. I can show you some potential related to Wyckoff theory. I was doing Wyckoff theory on Bitcoin chart on 4-hour time frame, and as you can see, phase A, phase B, phase C, phase D, and now we are about to enter phase E. Those who entered here, congratulations to all those who make all the good profits around this area. And now we are about to explode. I'm looking at this potential point where market is gonna play something like this. As I said, that once it breaks holding this key level, it's gonna shoot towards the moon, and potentially that's what we are looking at. And then we're gonna see some more accumulation area and all that stuff. So we're gonna see when that's gonna happen. And I think next week, not possibly next week, because next week mostly is gonna be bearish next week. Today is Sunday, so next week, I was thinking next week is gonna be bearish. We may try this, or some liquidities down there, if I can brush it, some liquidity down here. So make sure keep your liquidation well below this area, cause if you're aiming for very long term, just be safe, because literally a few days ago, yesterday they tried to liquidate some people. And yeah, that's what markets do. So you just need to be at your best, with your safe side, and do some safe trading. So according to Wyckoff and all, says this is the potential scenario that's gonna play. And what's gonna play, I can see Bitcoin. If somebody asks me where will Bitcoin go, I can say that Bitcoin will come to 30, Bitcoin will come to 32. It is 32. It's gonna come like, yep, anywhere from here to here. I can see the next accumulation and distribution. Markets will come to this point. Don't know how, but market will come. Like there gonna be so many troubles and things along the way. One more thing on the daily time frame is the inverse head and shoulder that's trying to work out. And if I can show you that inverse head and shoulder, This might be one of the scenarios that's gonna play out and will give us a good edge in the market. So, oh no, how am I doing? Oh, wait, my head is over. Yep, there we go. So this might be one of the small scenario on daily time frame as I can see, and I can show you some potential targets as well. And if we break above somewhere here, which is possibly like I can see a week after a week next Monday, yeah, somewhere around this point, I can sense a breakout, and the breakout will potentially go to 31,500. As I said, that 3200 is a place where you can possibly find Bitcoin in next 2 weeks. So there's gonna be a place, and if I give you an overview of a weekly market, like what's happening on the weekly time frame, so you can see that Bitcoin is perfectly holding above the golden pocket, and we are still don't no need to worry. This is all ups and downs. Once your vision is towards 1000K, which I'm looking at, well, I believe that Bitcoin will go all the way to 100,000. Come on, where is it? Where is it? It's right here. Let's back it. Yep, and so don't know when, but for sure. Basically now after this Halloween, I can see that Bitcoin is going to this place. Like every time Bitcoin touch the market, touch his bottom trend line, it goes up, and now touching the Bitcoin line again. Possibly somewhere around 23, 22 is gonna test the line again, and boom, towards 100,000K. And yeah, that's all about Bitcoin according to Wyckoff theory. Like what Wyckoff, if we apply Wyckoff theory, what's happening? Oh, I choose it on, so just make it to. So basically, according to Wyckoff theory, what's gonna happen, and according to the head and shoulder on daily time frame, can see the potential targets, and these are the areas. And I'm long in Bitcoin. I've long $1,000 in Bitcoin at the moment, and trade is 83% in profit as well. I just started with a small amount as I'm looking potentially to break this line. Once Bitcoin breaks this line, and as I told you, every time Bitcoin break his line, trend line, it goes massively up. It breaks the line, goes massively up, and now I'm looking the same. Once it breaks the line, it goes massively up, and I'm gonna once Bitcoin's gonna break this level, Bitcoin's gonna break this level, I'm gonna add up to my positions, and at this point I'm gonna add up to my positions, and as soon as we gonna if I tell you, once we arrive this point, I'm gonna go massively wrong, something around 5 or 6 Bitcoin, $100,000. I'm gonna invest more in Bitcoin just to from this point, because after this point, trust me, mark my words, you will never see Bitcoin on these prices again. This time is the golden time. You're not gonna see Bitcoin ever on this time, these prices. So yep, these are the time. If you wanna trade with me, my link is down below in the chat box. You can join with my link. I'm trading on BitGet. Up to you, whichever exchange you wanna use. Use your exchange and make the most of your time. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.